Alright guys, welcome back. It's Tuesday. We're gonna have a webinar tonight, so just make sure to register for it. 100% free, no charges. Bring your friends in. We're gonna be discussing about 2024 again tonight, and how the dollar will proceed. Lots of people are asking me about will the Fed cut or not, and why did actually US dollar had a little bit of strength towards last Friday, now coming to Monday. The big reason for that is that because the Fed has pushed away the March cut. All right, so most of the market was priced in for a cut in from Fed in March. And now actually Jerome Powell came in, it wasn't anything special. It was just like a normal meeting, he was gathering, I would say. And then it came in as a breaking news that the Fed won't cut the rates at March anymore. And now they will be cutting, after March. So market was a little bit, whoa, wait a minute. So we still have potential for a stronger dollar. And if you have watched my video from yesterday, you can actually, go to our channel, actually subscribe to our channel, put the ring to the bell there so you always get notifications up and when we post a video. Anyway, so if you go to the videos from yesterday, I did mention that we would have a stronger dollar for this week. At least this week, I'm believing that we're going to have a stronger dollar, maybe a lower euro dollar, maybe a lower GBP USD. This is all we're going to discuss into the webinar tonight. But anyways, coming back to the Fed, then the market was like, okay, so if the Fed won't cut in March, so then we still have a possibility to go for, this 12, 16 days that we have left for 2023 and the first quarter. So January, February, March. So we still have, maybe three other months for 2024 that the dollar may be stronger than other currencies. And what is most important is now we always make sure to listen to ECB and the BOJ as well, same as the Bank of Canada, the BOJ, as well the BOJ, the Bank of Japan. Now, talking a little bit about the Bank of Japan, we did have a pushback on the yen, okay? Yen was very, very strong, and now it's not that strong anymore. If we look at the USD JPY charts, we can see that it did suffer a big drop, but then, accompanied by a pullback. This is because Ueda said that yet is not a good idea to change the yield curve control. So there's lots of things happening on the market, right? And we'll be covering all of these tonight on the webinar. So if you want to make sure that you know what is happening on the market, so just pop in tonight. Bring one of your friends. Easy, register. Just go to acy.com and then you go into learn and then webinars, and then we'll be should be there. All right, guys, so that's all from me today. So just make sure to be listening to all the central banks. We are in a very, very important stage from central banks. Any little things that, maybe Jerome Powell said, or Yan say, or Yellen say, it will have a big interference on the market. All right, we talk tonight, and I see you all tomorrow.